Yo my people, how una dey? So for this video I'll be talking about the difference between HIV and AIDS. Yes, this is one topic many persons don't want to pay attention to, especially here in Nigeria. So what is HIV and what is AIDS? Now many people tend to mistake one for the other. So HIV means human immunodeficiency virus, while AIDS is acquired immunodeficiency syndrome. Okay, so now HIV, like they say, not the show for face. Sure, now they see my face now. They're not they see am for face. But AIDS, the show for face. That every time I wanna know. So stop mistaking AIDS for HIV. Difference there. That is the more reason why you have to be careful out there. So my contents are more of enlightment. So I dey enlighten people, I dey give updates steady. So if you know say you never follow me, now you do yourself. Oh, you better start to dey follow me now, because the kind of update when I go dey drop na banger. So now, guys, ladies, na normal thing now. We dey like knacking well, but that is not the only way HIV can be transmitted. But it is one of the most commonest ways it can be transmitted. Okay, so if you are a guy or a girl out there, especially of that that age bracket, when we say body dey hot, now HIV, which is the virus which enters the human body and it breaks down the immunity. Okay, so when that happens, the body is open to different cancers, different sicknesses that you cannot even imagine, that a normal person with a healthy immune system will not even get. Okay, so HIV is not, sex is not the only way through which HIV can be contacted. Okay, there are other means like sharing of needles, blood transfusion, and of course sex. Okay, so now, as a guy and a girl, if you must have sex, okay, you must use protection. So this is a good cycle here with me. All right, so if you are going out as a guy and you are sexually active, okay, I will advise you to get a pack of this wherever you go. You never can tell what will happen, so to avoid story that touches the heart. All right, so now HIV is just the virus that causes AIDS. So AIDS is different from HIV. Okay, so when HIV enters into the human body, it does not show on the face. There's no obvious symptoms you can see and say, this person has HIV, I can't sleep with him, I can't sleep with her. Okay, so there's no symptom at all that is traceable. But in the case of AIDS, there are symptoms. There are symptoms of, there are obvious symptoms you can see. That's where the syndrome comes in. Okay, so there are symptoms you see and you say, this person is likely to have AIDS. But HIV, it does not show. That's the infection stage. So at that stage, the virus is easily transmitted. Okay, and of course, thank God for research and all. There's now treatment for those that has HIV. And now, when somebody has contracted the virus without treatment, that individual is expected to live for about 3 years before the infection turns into full-blown AIDS. Okay, but with the help of medication, you can live your normal life. Okay, you can live your normal life. So it's not a death sentence as as many have made it seem. Okay, so if you have not done your HIV test, okay, you go out there, do your test. If you are negative, congratulations to you. But if you are positive, it is not the end of the world for you. Go to a government hospital, do a confirmatory test, and after which you'll be placed on a retroviral drug which you will take for the rest of your life. Okay, so with that drug, you can live a normal life. Okay, I quite understand that there is what is it called? People tend to hide their HIV status because of the discrimination that that comes with it. I quite understand that in this part of the world, people don't want to talk about HIV. They don't want to talk about AIDS. Okay, so people like us now, we they run them. So we have to enlighten the public of the of its existence. Okay, so HIV is real. Get tested, and if you know you don't have it, always be on your guard. Okay, be on your guard. It does not show on on the face, so you cannot just tell when you see a guy looking so beautiful, looking so flashy, or a guy looking so clean. You say, this one does not have this one can't have HIV now. It's looking so nice. Don't deceive yourself. Oh, it does not show. It not they show for face. The sure way you can know if someone has HIV or not is for him or her to get tested. Okay, so be faithful, stick to one partner, and if you can't stick to one partner, use your protection. Okay, so now if you have anything to contribute, you can always do that. Like I always say on the in the comments section. Thank you for watching this video.